The average adult human brain weighs about 3 pounds, 1.4 kilograms. It's roughly the size of a large grapefruit. The brain is primarily composed of neurons, nerve cells, glial cells, support cells, and blood vessels. Neurons are responsible for transmitting information throughout the brain and body. The brain consists of several main parts, including the cerebrum, responsible for higher brain functions such as thinking and voluntary movement, cerebellum, controls balance and coordination, and brainstem, regulates basic bodily functions like breathing and heart rate. The brain contains billions of neurons, which communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. These signals form complex neural networks that underlie all brain functions. The outer layer of the brain, called the cerebral cortex, is made up of gray matter, which contains cell bodies and synapses. Beneath the cortex lies white matter, consisting of myelinated nerve fibers that facilitate communication between different brain regions. Although the brain represents only about 2% of the body's weight, it consumes roughly 20% of the body's energy and oxygen supply. This high metabolic rate is necessary to support its numerous functions. The brain is encased in the skull, which provides physical protection against injury. Additionally, the brain is surrounded by cerebrospinal fluid, which acts as a cushion and shock absorber. The human brain undergoes significant development during infancy and childhood. Neural connections are formed and refined through experiences, shaping cognitive, emotional, and social development. The brain exhibits neuroplasticity, the ability to reorganize and adapt in response to learning, experiences, and injury. This plasticity allows for recovery from brain damage and the acquisition of new skills throughout life. While the average human brain weighs around 3 pounds, brain size can vary significantly among individuals. Factors such as genetics, age, gender, and overall health can influence brain size and structure.